Hi, I'm Chris from Lewis County Head Start, and today we're going to read the short story, I Am a Leaf. Then, after the story, we're going to talk about greenhouses and do a follow up on last week's plants. So, today's story, I Am a Leaf, is written by Jean Marzolo and illustrated or drawn by Judith Moffat. Hi, I am a leaf. I live on a maple tree. See the ladybug? She's crawling on me. It tickles. Many leaves live in my tree. We have a summer job. We make tree food. We make it from the air and sunlight. That feels good. We also need water to make tree food. Rainwater goes into the soil and goes into the tree roots. It goes up the tree and flows through the veins. My veins are like little pipes. I mix sunlight, air, and water, and then I add something green. It's called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green. It makes me green. All summer long, I have made tree food. Once a caterpillar came by, nibble, nibble, nibble. It ate a little hole in me, but I'm still did my job. Once a spider came by, busy, busy, busy. It made a big web, but I still did my job. Once a squirrel jumped on me. Boing, boing, boing. It ran right over me, but I still did my job. Now fall has come, which is the season we're in. My work is over. My green goes away. Now I'm red, yellow, and orange. It's party time. All the leaves in my tree are turning colors. People ooh and ah. The wind blows. We break away. We dance in the wind. Whee! Gently we land on the ground. We rest. Winter has come. The forest is white with snow. Some trees stay green. They are called evergreens. Slowly leaves turn into soil. The soil holds roots. The soil holds water, and the soil holds animals. Sleeping in dens. Winter is over. The soil warms. Hi, I'm a baby leaf. Spring is here. I'm the first bud to sprout in my tree. I'm growing fast. Soon I'll get a job. What will it be? The sun feels good. Now, some important words from our story and about greenhouses are carbon, C-A-R-B-O-N, dioxide, D-I-O-X-I-D-E. And that's a colorless, odorless gas produced by all living creatures. And that is just when we exhale. Trees absorb that, plants absorb that, and turn it into food. Our next word is photo, P-H-O-T-O, synth, S-Y-N, sis, T-H-E-I-S. And that's the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll to generate oxygen. And that brings us to our last word, chlorophyll. 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 And that's the green pigment present in all green plants. And it's responsible for the absorption of light to provide energy for photosynthesis. And that's just a fancy word saying plants will take in the sunlight and turn it into food, which will help produce oxygen, which all living creatures have to breathe. Now, this is important because it also produces the greenhouse effect, which is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. But how does it work? A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and a glass roof. Or like we made in our previous video, we made it out of plastic. The greenhouses are used to grow plants, such as tomatoes and flowers. A greenhouse stays warm inside, even during the winter. And in daytime, sunlight shines in the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. At nighttime, it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. That's because the glass walls, or in this case, our plastic bottles, trap the sun's heat. The greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, which our plants eat up and turn into food and turn into oxygen, trap heat just like the glass, or again, our plastic bottles. The heat trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warms up the sunlight. At night, the Earth's surface cools, releasing heat back in the air. But some of the heat is trapped in the atmosphere, or in this case, it's trapped in our plastic bottles. Now, as we can see from our greenhouse effect, the seeds we planted last week have took root and grew quite a bit. And as we discussed in our previous video, that's also the plant life cycle. And currently, we are right here, halfway through where the leaves have sprouted. So in a couple more days, they will be right here making flowers. And then last, they'll be ready for pollination. I mean, they're ready to leave the nest and make more plants. But for right now, we're making leaves, which are absorbing all the carbon dioxide and making food to grow big and strong. Well, that's all the time for today. I hope you have a wonderful time. Bye for now.